Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Today's we are ready to do the charging comparison with the normal charger versus the Qualcomm Quick Charge in this Mi11X device. As you can see here friends, so the Mi11X actually supports the Quick Charge, a PD charge as well. So let's see friends whether the Qualcomm Quick Charge will be able to demonstrate very good performance results versus the 33 watt fast charger or not. So this is a 33 watt fast charger which I'll be trying to use as well. So let's compare both scenarios side by side and we can come into the conclusion that how much which is better for fast charging in this phone. So I'll try to use this kind of application which is an Ampere application as an example to demonstrate what is the charging meter as well. So which will try to show you the real time milliamperes which is charging faster as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends. In case if you're watching first time this channel, don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist which I have created each and every smartphone in my channel. I did upload more than 100 videos on this Mi11X device itself right now. So make sure to check those videos and don't forget to follow me regularly because I'll be doing PUBG battery end test very soon. So the PUBG battery end test is going to come very soon friends. So you should know how much time the phone will be stayed with the gaming as well. So let me try to first begin the charging test using the power bank. So this is a default cable which I'm trying to use. So is the power bank friends. As you can see, this is the Qualcomm Quick Charge supported. So let me try to quickly charge the phone and show you the settings and everything. So before that, let me try to lock the screen. So you should know what kind of animation you are getting on the lock screen as well. As you can see friends, it says Quick Charge. So I'm trying to use this Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and it's saying perfectly Quick Charge as well. So let me try to quickly go to the settings option. So even on the lock screen as well, it's saying fast charging, as you can see here. So now let me try to go to the settings first and try to show you how much is the estimated time. So we'll compare the estimated time from the charger to this Quick Charge side by side. So right now the estimated time is about 1 hour and 1 minute. And let's see the charging speed. What is the charging speed if you're charging with a power bank? So right now it's trying to measure, as you can see, the speed. So let's see friends what will be the results are. As you can see right now I'm getting about 2760 milliamperes, the speed 2750, as you can see friends, the speed. So this is how much the speed I'm getting right now. So I'm just trying to wait for some time to see the what will be the maximum speed will be recorded here. So the maximum speed recorded is about only 2760 milliamperes till now. So if you're using the Quick Charge Qualcomm power bank on this Mi11X device, as you can see friends, this is a Mi11X device. So now let me try using the default charger and let's see what will be the speed coming here and how much time it actually takes. So right now I connected to the 33 watt charger which came along with the box, and let me try to show you friends what will be the speed results in this application, how much speed we are getting. So let's see whether it will be crossing that mark or not. So it did cross that kind of mark. As you can see, it's going up to 3300 milliamperes and 3480 milliamperes, 3540 milliamperes. So you're getting extra 1000 milliamperes if you use the default charger, which is a 33 watt fast charger. So now let me go to the settings and see how much time it actually takes to complete charge. So the complete charge takes about 48 minutes. So before it was 1 hour and 1 minute. So overall, if you calculate 61 minutes as a round figure, so 60 minutes. So overall, it's taking exactly 18, I think 12 or 13 minutes of time more if you charge with a power bank Quick Charge 3.0. So as a round figure, you can take maybe 15 minutes extra time it would take if you charge using the Quick Charge power bank friends on this Mi11X device. So this is what my main motive of making this kind of video. So just demonstrating that how is the charging performance in this phone if you're using different kind of scenarios as well. So that is what you should know about this device, A to Z, everything, instead of just going blind and buying the mobile phone. So that's why I'll be doing this kind of unique comparisons and unique test on this mobile phone. Even in terms of the battery backup as well, I'll be doing plenty of battery backup videos in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for those video friends in case if you're interested to buy. And on the lock screen as well, it will be demonstrating as Mi Turbocharge. As you can see here, Mi Turbocharge. So this is what it is. Mi Turbocharge will be charging the phone much faster than the Mi Quick Charge. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos don't forget to check the links in description for this kind of playlist which are created for the Mi11X users. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.